what's up? It's your boy Lego here from Lego Works, and today I've kind of got a different video for you. It's going to be explaining why either later today or tomorrow I'm going to have a different background on one of my videos, and I'm not going to be doing any Lego videos. I'll possibly be doing videos on something else, I don't know. But yeah, the reason being is because I'm going to Tenerife. You know, the Canary Islands. Think of Lanzarote or Gran Canaria. It's or Fuerteventura. It's pretty much near there. Yeah. But I will show you how to do mini build. No, I won't even show you that. I will just show you a mini build. It's a dinky car I made. Yeah. I know, Esther. If you're watching this, you're not having your break. After the holidays, you're not. Because why should I give it to you? Anyway, yeah, it's pretty sturdy, to say the least. I really want to take my trains with me, I just can't. I think it's mainly due to airport security, whether they'll take them off me as I try and get them through, I don't know. If you just comment before 11:30, because that's when I'm gonna have to leave for the airport, before 11:30, then yeah, that'll be great. Yeah. Worst thing is, right, we're going to Liverpool John Lennon Airport, and you see, my flight's not till like 5:30, guys, so yeah, from 11:30, right, it's a 2-hour journey from my home to Liverpool John Lennon Airport, so 2 hours from 11:30 takes us to, what, 1:30, and then we've got 4 hours to kill. Takes about half an hour to get through security and let me just think this out. Oh, and the worst thing is, if our flight's delayed, meaning that, because over there they are on the same time as us guys, it just means that if our flight's delayed, we are going to be waiting a lot longer. Because we will land about, allowing for refuel time, everyone to get on board time and all that, and to allow for the aircraft taxi taking us up to about 6:15. We'll land about 10:30 if we are on the scheduled time. If we're delayed, it might be closer to 11 o'clock or midnight. So yeah, we don't know yet. And of course it's not going to be on the airport screens, because our aircraft is so ridiculously late. Yeah. Anyway, if you guys want to leave any comments down below as to where you've been or where you are going over the Easter holiday, I'd love to know. If you have any questions I could do for you tomorrow, let me know, because I might do a Q&A tomorrow. But with all that being said, peace out.